So this is the all-new Amazon Basics microwave. Pre-order today for $59.99 and shipping in mid-November. And the cool thing about this is that it's completely voice-enabled. Let me show you. With the Ask Alexa button, all I have to do is tap to get access to a preset. One potato.
Starting potato, 6 minutes, 34 seconds.
Now, your microwave in your kitchen probably has all these preset commands built in today, but it turns out it takes an arcane series of button presses to actually access that preset command. 6 minutes and 34 seconds is the right amount of time in this microwave, 700 watts, 0.7 cubic feet, to cook a baked potato. But customers have sort of lost the ability to find all of those commands. Now with the simplicity of voice, you can just ask Alexa.
And you need to have an Echo device for this to work, correct?
That's right. So you'd pick a nearby Echo device to pair it to, and that also unlocks the capability of the Ask Alexa button, so that you simply press the button and that nearby Echo is ready to respond.
All the things you could make and all the things you could put Alexa into, it just, why a microwave?
Well, for two reasons. One, and I'm just going to stop the microwave here. One, we know that this experience is going to be great for customers. It just unlocks the power of a device that they have around their home that they underuse and underutilize. But secondly, it's also a reference implementation of the Alexa Connect Kit. This is a whole set of technology that we're releasing on this small module for developers that will let developers make any device into a smart device. Today, smart devices have a premium that gets into the hundreds of dollars over the unconnected, unsmart analog device. With the Alexa Connect Kit, makers like Amazon Basics are able to deliver a microwave right in the neighborhood of the average selling price of the unconnected analog for that microwave online today.
So is Amazon an appliance company now?
Well, as ever, you know that if we can do something great for customers, we'll follow that opportunity and work backwards from customers. But it also gives us an opportunity to externalize the whole set of technology that drives the Amazon Basics microwave so that any appliance maker can make an awesome, connected, smart, and Alexa-enabled appliance for the home.
Great, thanks.
One other question.
Yeah.
Could you just give me some other examples of things you could say to the microwave besides
Sure.
potato? Just other examples.
Another great example of a preset that you don't know today. Here's my cup of coffee. Alexa, reheat a cup of coffee.
Starting coffee, 1 minute, 43 seconds.
And the last fourth video.
Alexa, stop the microwave.
Okay.
So